Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to solve these kinds of question. Here look at this. The variable is given, which one is x, right? So we have to find the value of x here. So many you can see on so many competitive exams those kinds of question comes, and some of them can't approach those questions. So in this video we are going to approach those kinds of questions and we learn how to solve this. So here look at this. On in the place of 27 we can write 3 cube, okay, to the power x whole divided by 9. In place of 9 we can write 3 square whole to the power x equals to 81, which one is given. So from this we can write 3 to the power 3x whole divided by 3 to the power 2x equals to 81. Okay, now we can write 3 to the power 3x minus 2x using the formula of exponent power. On the place of 81 we can write 3 to the power 4. So if we compare this 3 to the power x and 3 to the power 4, if we compare this those left hand side and right hand side, we can easily find the value of x. Here if we compare, the value of x will be 4. X will be 4. So if these kinds of question comes in those competitive exams, you have to make sure that those base are equal. So you have to find those base are equal. You have to make this, and this is the exact way to get it. Here the formula is a to the power x by a to the power y. We can write this a to the power x minus y. This is possible because the base are equal. Here look at this, the base is 3, again also it is 3. So we can write it 3 to the power 3x minus 2x, that is 3 to the power x equals to, if we factorize 81 we will get 3. If we multiply 3 4 times we will get 81. So we will get x equals to 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, thank you.